Hey, how you doing? My name is John. I'm from Spectrum Carpet Cleaning. I just wanted to go over a few things that our competitors will use when they come into your house. This first is a buffer. They're going to be using a type of shampoo. It's called bonnet cleaning, and just kind of just scrubs it around, just pushing dirt. It's not actually extracting anything. Same thing with this. This is more of a peroxide-based cleaner with brushes on the bottom that move in two different directions. Same thing, breaking up fibers apart and just kind of leaving dirt behind. Portable, does the job, but not super big with pressure or suction. Does extract, just doesn't do super well. All right, this is what we use. This is what you call a truck mounted system. Optimal suction can reach up to pressures of 1,000 psi. We're bringing two small hoses into the house, one vacuum, one solution. So we're not bringing any big equipment in, anything like that, except for our wands. And yeah, that's what differentiates us from the competition.